I think I got bit actually. I might have just have gotten bit.
It's like the behind the scenes without hunting.
I'm gonna have to let out more line. I can cast way farther on this side. Maybe because this tree is blocking the wind. It's blocking, not all of it, but it's blocking some of it. I'm casting like straighter. Ready? Look, let it sit, and then you gotta go twitch. Let it sit. Wait. Wait, reel in the slack. Twitch. Wait. Bro, come on. No, I think I missed one. Oh, never mind. All right, okay. Win, I think you're getting just a little bit aggressive here, you know. This is one of the windiest days ever. Oh my God. Wait, one. Guess what? We got school tomorrow. Ow, it snapped. It snapped.
Your line's back.
Yes, I don't know where it is.
I've got another bait.
Another what?
It's a hook! It's a good one!
It's a hook, and it's a good one. We're gonna throw the one knocker, and the lipless crankbait. Yeah, we're gonna throw it and see if we can catch something. Something. Just like, I can catch a little bass, it'll be fine. All right, I'm gonna try to get as close as I can. Okay, you guys, hear this rattle over here in the open. Okay, that was close to the weed bed. Now hear it. Hear this rattle. Okay, y'all want to eat this, right? I got him. No, he came off. No. Nah. I know you would hear this one. I know you hear this lipless. Yo, that was actually one. I think that was actually one.
Look, will it behind the back?
A little behind the back. Oh, I fumbled.
But I won't fumble this time.
Bass liners, what's your favorite color?
What is your guys' favorite bait to throw in the winter time? Drop down in the comments.
3, 2, 1. Oh my God! I got one. No, you don't. No. You have weed. No, wait. At that time, it was actually a fish.
Let me try then.
Try what? Try what?
It's my rod.
Bro.
I'm just gonna do like 2 casts, okay?
Yeah, but the fish is gone.
Yo, why does that move so much to the side?
The fish is gone. Yo, I think I actually had one. I felt it. What was I telling you? And you're like, it's weeds.
I like hooked it, I went like this, and then it went.
That's what I was telling you. You're like, no, it's actually weeds.
You're trying to catch minnows, right?
I'm trying to catch a minnow, but I don't know what the minnow and ninos are. Oh, I got it. It feels like there's a fish on that.
Where'd it go?
Is that it? I got it. Okay, I'm gonna have to leave it right there because I see it. One, Diddy! Diddy! One. You know this is a spinner rod? Oh, I caught one. That's a fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's actually a fish. That's actually a fish. Let me get. No, I got it. Please.
That's actually a fish.
That's actually a fish. He's actually got one. That's a big one. He's in the weed. Oh my God! Holy crap! Wait, what is that? That's not a bass. What is that?
Oh, he's snagged.
Oh,
snagged.
Oh, he's snagged. I got him. I got that.
Yeah, but he got snagged.
Oh.
I just snagged the little guy. He didn't even mean to eat that. Let's go. Let's go show it to the camera.
Wait. Ow! I caught it. No, I caught it though. Please. All right, guys. Good.
Click the button.
Let's go release this little dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. 3, 2. Pabush, pabush.
Shake him. Shake him back and forth. Yeah, like that.
Throw him in the water, bro.
He went off.
Bye bye, Hunter. See you on the next vid.